Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to break into a laser. Like I mentioned before, I scooped my brother's laser today. He got a nice little 5-watt, which is the smallest powered laser you can get really on the market today. It's a diode laser, as we're going to be looking at over the next few weeks. Will be mainly diode lasers, and hopefully we'll be getting into CO2s after that. This is the Ortur 2 5-watt laser, and let's get into it. Let's see what it can do. So today we're going to build the Ortur Laser Master 2. And to do this, we've got to put the 4 extruded aluminum pieces together. Notice that the side pieces have a notch for the front and back extrusions to fit into when you put them together. Screw that together, and it's pretty easy to see how it's all put together. In step 2, we're going to take the gantry that is already put together mostly and slide it onto our extruded frame. Put it on from back to front. On the back and front extruded portions, they're labeled, so put it on from back to front so that the control board hooks up to the front extruded metal. Next, we throw the feet on, which is another easy task. They're just made out of plexiglass, but this is a $220 laser, so what do you expect? Next, we have to anchor our belts. Now, on the Ortur, we anchor the belts in a unique way. Other lasers use a different way, and we'll be showing that at a later date. On the Ortur, to save money, they use plexiglass feet and washers and bolts so that your belt goes under the washer and is clamped in nice and tight. Now I like to take a bend the belt so that it curls around the wheel. As shown in the picture, we've got to get the belt to go under the wheel, up over the gear, so that the belt can turn the gear, back down under the other wheel and through the front so that it can get clamped down on the other side of the extruded piece of aluminum. Once again, clamp that down and proceed to the other side, following the instructions putting on the plexiglass to make sure that our belt is nice and secure. Now, the washer isn't the only way we secure our belt. We also have special clamps that fit inside the extrusions, and we'll clamp that down with an Allen key. After our belts are on both sides, we want to take our control board and screw that into the front. It's a pretty easy job, just like every other part of this task. Now, this next part, please just look at the instructions and make sure you follow the directions, because it'd be too complicated for me to tell you what's going on here. We got to hook up the wires and do our cable management, and it's described very well in the instructions. Next, we have more cable management, where we take our main cable line and pull it up and use our zip ties to keep it up so that it doesn't get involved with the tracking of the machine, and we don't want to get stuck. We want to throw on our plate to hold on to the laser head and screw on the laser head itself. Now, one of the great things about the Ortur laser and some other lasers that are out there is that they are already set up to be upgraded. And you don't need to upgrade anything except for the laser head. You know, getting a 10 watt or a 20 watt, and they even come out as 40 watts these days. I don't know if Ortur has them or not, but that's the way it is. Now, like I said before, this laser is small, and we have to have our speeds down low. And if you have a burning machine without an air pump, you're going to have a lot of scorching and burn marks on your wood. And this machine's going to do that unless you use many layers or many passes of the laser over the cuts. You know what I mean, don't you? Well, you will in the future videos. I just want to thank you for watching this one, and if you want to become a patron to help put these videos out, patreon.com/Ron Perry. Much love, guys. Talk to you later.